History no dey sleep o. Today September 3rd, the day full of wahala, big names and big events wey shake the world. Sit down make I run you through 10 things wey happen on this day you go shock. Number 1 happen 1783. Treaty of Paris signed. The document that officially ended the American Revolutionary War was signed, formally recognizing the independence of the United States. I know say many people don't know this one. Make we go for the next one. 1939, Britain and allies declare war on Germany. For waiting, following the German invasion of Poland, the UK, France, Australia and New Zealand declare war on Germany, making the start of World War II. 1976, Vikings 2 land on Mars. NASA's Viking 2 successfully landed on Mars and began sending back the first close-up color images of Martian surface. Yes, Martian surface. Sweden switched to driving on the right, yes, known as Dagen H. Sweden officially changed from left to right-hand traffic in one day, a major logical move. Alright, the number 5 is 2004 Beslan school siege begins for Russia. The tragic hostage crisis in Beslan commenced, ultimately resulting in the death of over 300 people, including many children. Oh, yes, children died for that event. For 1943, Allies invade Italy and Italy surrendered. Allied forces landed on the Italian mainland and Italy signed an armistice with the Allies, shifting the course of World War II in Europe. 1791, yes, 1791, French Constitution declared a monarch. The National Assembly passed a constitution that turned France into a constitutional monarch during the French Revolution. Number 8, 1971, Qatar gains independence. Qatar became an independent state, ending British rule and establishing itself as a sovereign nation. Then we go to number 9, 1838. Yes, 1838. Frederick Douglass escapes slavery. On this day, Frederick Douglass began his journey to freedom, disguised as a sailor, a pivotal event in his life and American history.
We stood together to demand fair pay, safety, and dignity. That's why we honor Labor Day.
Then, on the 10th event is 1894. Yes, 1894. First U.S. Federal Labor Day observed. The United States celebrated its inaugural Federal Labor Day, honoring workers and ushering in a long national tradition. Those are the historical day, 10 history days for you. We'll give you another one for tomorrow for this same channel, Talkam RCB. Don't forget to follow us because we're going to give you a ogbonge tori as e dey hot.